everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I'm back today with another Pixi Beauty video. Now, it has been a while since I've done a video featuring Pixi Beauty products, and if you are not familiar with me and Pixi Beauty, I am on their PR list, so they do send me products, if not every month, every other month, or when they get something new out that they want us to enjoy and try out. So the past 3 packages that I've gotten from them, the packaging has been super cute, okay? And I wanted to get on here and show you guys how the packaging looks and also talk about the products with you, because some people still are kind of sleep on Pixi Beauty. And if you know, Pixi Beauty is mostly skincare, and I love skincare, and y'all know your skin, taking care of your skin is very important. So since it's 3 different packages, at first I was gonna do each of them separately, but I decided to go ahead and just combine all 3 into this video because it's not gonna be any demonstration. I just wanna show you guys the packaging and let you guys know about each product, and that's pretty much it. And anything else that I decide to do, like a demo using the products, that'll be a whole different video. But I definitely want to show you guys how cute the packaging is. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So first, I'm gonna show you guys the most recent package that I got. This is their new Retinol and Jasmine line. So it came in this cute little bag. And if you know Pixi, this is like their colors, that green and like lavender and pink. So here are the products down here. And then up here, of course, it shows you each step for the products. If you are familiar with Pixi Beauty, you know most of the time when it comes to their products, it's step 1, step 2, step 3. So you pretty much got to use them like that. So I'm not necessarily going to get into that. I'll save that for another video because I am going to do like a review on this. And so in this package, you have the Retinol Jasmine Cleanser. You have the Retinol Tonic, which is the toner. You have the AM Jasmine Oil Blend. Then you have the PM Overnight Retinol Oil. Then you have the Retinol Jasmine Lotion, which is a moisturizer. And then you have the Retinol Eye Cream, which of course is an eye cream. So I'm not gonna take the products out because, like I said, I'm gonna save that for another video because I will be testing these out and doing my review for it. But this, like I said, this is the most recent PR package. So this was super cute. Everything is purple and green, so I think that is cute. Definitely caught my eye, so I cannot wait to try out this new Jasmine line. So next is this package that I got months before I got this recent one. This is their recent Hydrating Milky collection, which I am very eager to try. But y'all know I'm normal to dry skin, so when it comes to things to hydrate my skin, I cannot wait to try it. So when I first got this, I think this was pretty cute. They padded it in like this carton, and each product is in their separate carton. Again, this comes with steps as well. So let me go ahead and take one out so you guys can see it up close. So the one I have in my hand is the Hydrating Milky Makeup Remover. So it's like in its own little carton. That is so cute. And then like right here, like it shows kind of, well, you can't see, but it's really cute. I like the way they put each of these products in like its own like little carton and then put it in here like you're delivering milk. Like, this is so cute. And last, I got this a long time ago. This is the Pixi, This is a Pixi SKINTREATS Vitamin C Daily Dose of Skin Brightening. There's 5 power-packed skin treats. Now, I really did like this packaging because as y'all can see, it comes in like this big old tub. But I'm finna show y'all what's really cute. It says, can y'all see it? I don't know if y'all... Right here, it says prepared. It says prepared for Lindsay. So everybody that's on the PR that got this, They had their own name on it, so I think that is so cute. So when I first got this definitely caught my eye. Like, Pixi can do no wrong with the packaging. Like, I really give them so much credit because I'm huge on some packaging. Like, believe it or not, even though it's gonna go in the trash, the packaging is one of the things that definitely catches your eye. Like, it really does. So this is so cute. So that is it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys the packaging of the last 3 packages that I got from Pixi Beauty. And like I stated, I definitely will be trying these products out, and I will do a whole separate video demonstrating how to use the products and also a review and all that. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and your friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.